Hello students, welcome back. Today we are back with one more very important problem from the model question paper 1 B.Tech S201. Questions like this are frequently asked in the semester examination. So let's do it here. Okay. So please practice along with me so that you properly attempt such questions and don't miss any marks here. So first the question is solve dq plus 1 into y is equal to cos of 2x minus 1 plus 3 to the power x. So first what you do, we have a problem here, we write the auxiliary equation, that is m cube plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's find a root. You can use a calculator here. See, in this questions, no, I have seen many students making mistake. They will attempt and come, but then 0 marks. Why? First step only they will go wrong. What I'm telling you, because see, m cube plus 1, you know, many people what they'll do, many students, m cube plus 1 is equal to 0. So m cube is equal to minus 1. So m is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Wrong, totally wrong. Okay, it's not like that. It doesn't work like that. Okay, because it defines the cube roots of unity. That's why you can use a calculator. You can go to mod equation 4. That is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Then see, coefficient of m cube is 1, m square 0, m is 0. Again, constant is 1 is equal to. Now we get the roots here. Roots are, one is m is equal to 1 comma, other is 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2i. That's all. These are the roots. So based on the roots, we can write the complementary factor as cf is equal to, c for 1 it is c1 e raised to x plus this is imaginary conjugate roots, so c2 cos of root 3 by 2x plus c3 sine of root 3 by 2x whole into real one is e raised to 1 by 2x. That's all. Fine. Now the particular integral yp is equal to cos of 2x minus 1 plus 3 raised to x upon dq plus 1. So as I always keep on telling you, wherever when you find the yp, no, the numerator upon denominator, whenever there is a plus or minus sign, always separate, because it defines different types. So we can write this as cos of 2x minus 1 over dq minus 1 plus 3 raised to x over d cube, sorry, this is d cube plus 1 and again d cube plus 1. Now you tell me, yes, there are so many problems, which type are this? So I'll again rewrite this as, see, this will be cos of 2x minus 1 as it is, and based upon the theory which I have mentioned in previous problem, 3 raised to x, okay, written a raised to x is written as e raised to log of a into x. Please memorize it always. So we can write this as e raised to log of 3x upon d cube plus 1. Now tell me which types. This is type number 2. If the numerator of the differential equation yp, you know, finding is of the form sin ax or cos ax or sin square cos square sin a cos b cos whatever sin form, then always it is a type number 2. In type number 2 we only replace d square by minus a square. What's a here? C cos ax is 2, so minus 4. And this is what? Type number 2. Type number 2. And this is what? Type number 1, e raised to ax upon f of d. If the numerator is e raised to ax upon f of d is type number 1, in type number 1 we always replace all denominator d by a. What is a here? Log 3. That's it. Okay. Now let's put it here. We get this as cos of 2x minus 1 upon, say what I do, we are going to replace only d square, right? So for that reason what I do, only d square. In type 2 you are replacing only d square by minus a square. Don't touch the d's, only d square. See, dq, what to do? So you write this as what? D square into d. So we write d cube as d square, alright here. So d square into d plus 1. So replace d square by minus 4 plus e raised to log 3x over In place of d put log 3 the whole cube plus 1. That's all. This is done. Solving a differential equation means eliminating all of these. So we have d eliminated, so only this is left now. So this will be again now cos of 2x minus 1 over in place of d square you are putting what? Minus 4. So write 1 minus 4d plus e raised to log 3x over log 3 the whole cube plus 1. Okay. Now see, this part is solved. This part, you need to remove this. In type 2, replace only d square by minus a square. Don't touch the d. If simple d is there, be integrated. Upon something a plus d square, then we rationalize. To get d square, what we do? We rationalize, because a plus b into a minus b is square b square. So what we do? Rationalize here. So this will be now cos of 2x minus 1 upon 1 minus 4d into what is the rationalizing factor of 1 minus 4d is 1 plus 4d. 1 plus 4d plus e raised to log of 3 x over log 3 the whole cube plus 1. Now again let's open a bracket. So this will be cos of 2x minus 1 as it is plus 4d into cos of 2x minus 1 upon 1 minus 16d square, because a plus b into a minus b is square b square, so a square minus 4 square 16d square 16. So again replace d square by minus 4, right? Yeah, minus 4. And this will be as it is because it's already solved. E raised to log of 3 x by log 3 whole cube plus 1. So again let's solve it further now. So this will be now see cos of 2x minus 1 again into d means what? Differentiate. In differential equation, into d means differentiate, upon d means integrate. That's the basic. So into d, see there is a d here. Please understand this carefully. There is a d here. Into d means what? Into d means differentiate. Okay. So what's the differentiation of cos x? It's minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x into a. So difference of cos 2x minus will be minus sin 2x into differential of 2x is 2. So minus means it is 4 to the 8 minus 8 sin 2x minus 1. Am I right? Okay. So this is what yp or particular integral is equal to. So upon, correct no, 4 into differential cos of 2x minus 1 is 2 sin 2x minus 1 into again differential 2x is 2 to the 2, yeah, perfect. It is say differential of cos 2x minus 1 is minus sin 2x minus 1 into again differential is 2, so 4 to the 8. That's it. Now again 1 minus 16 into minus 4, so it will be it's easy only. See 16 into minus 4, 16 into minus 16 for 65 upon 65, correct? 16 into minus 4 64, so 1 plus 64 65 plus e raised to log of 3 x divided by log 3 whole cube plus 1. So we found both CF and PI. So the solution is y is equal to CF plus the particular integral. So either discussed by P or PI. What is it? Both are same. Okay, particular integral or yp, complementary factor yc, both are same. So this will be y is equal to, what is the solution here? C1. So why the solution y is equal to C1 e raised to x plus C2, please complete the solution, cos of root 3 by 2x plus C3 sin root 3 by 2x okay into e raised to 1 by 2x, fine. And lastly pi is cos 2x minus 1 minus 8 sin 2x minus 1 over 65 plus e raised to log 3 x upon log 3 whole cube plus 1. That's the solution. Okay, please end the solution, write the CF plus PR, otherwise they will cut the mass, and do it. Okay, I hope you clearly understood the solution here. Please do practice it. Practicing helps here, okay, because they can ask many problems like this, only the values may differ. So if you know the theory correctly, then you can easily answer the problems like this. Okay, so it's done. Please go thoroughly for this problem. That's all for today's video. See you with more videos like this and solution to model question paper. Stay updated. Till then, happy engineering, work hard. Bye bye.